Good morning, everyone. I was trying to make the camera big enough so you could see the blue jay sitting there, but it won't do that good. Anyway, well, that a lot was from last night. We had lightning and thunder. I've never heard in 49 years thunder as loud as it was last night with lightning. It was just really creepy. And you can see everything is even more flooded. I think today is supposed to be clear. I mean, it's the first day that we've had Carolina blue skies. It's been a while, and the sun's out, and the temperature feels amazing. It's so nice and warm. Yeah, rain is really messed up. But yeah, so they say it's from, if you have thunders in the wintertime, 9 to 10 days, and then it'll snow. It's just an old wives' tale. But anyway, I can deal with temperatures like this. Not exactly sure. It feels like maybe 50 something. It's not cold at all. So much water. Alright, well, much love, everyone. Sorry that we couldn't see the blue jay. It was a robin. Alright, well, have a good day, and much love to everyone.